If you've been grinding charts for months and still can't figure it out, this is going to be the missing piece that you need. You can know every entry pattern, every engulfing candle, liquidity sweep, or break a structure and still lose money if you're trading in the wrong trading sessions. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you this 1 to 5 minute setup that prints in 1 3-hour windows when it comes to trading. And you won't be 90% of the traders that miss this. I'll show you exactly how to print this consistently. Let's go ahead and get to it. Now, if you are a brand new trader or a trader that is still struggling in finding the right assets or just knowing what to do in the markets, I did open my community up for you. The way that you can join is literally signing up with the broker we use and depositing at least $250 into your trading account and start trading. That is a free way I'm giving you guys to join the community. Now, if you don't like trading a personal broker, you can also go with Think Capital, which is the prop firm I am allowing you to also join our community. You can purchase any challenge, and you can literally get in our community for free as well. As you see, all of the results that you've been seeing is from our entire community, mainly trading gold, mainly trading US30, indices, and also Forex pairs. So you can really make a lot of great money in this community if done right. Now, a 1 minute scalping strategy that still prints in 2026. This is going to be with US30 and also gold. So let's first start off with the session and when we're going to be trading it. Preferred time, we're going to be looking at the New York from 8:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern time. Mainly, this is where the liquidity sweeps happen. This is where we get those breaker structures. And then this is where we get that first move to hit that POI zone and then instantly go up. Next would be London. Anybody here that cannot trade New York, you also have London, which is 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. GMT. If you're an early bird on the USA side like I am, this is going to be your open window. And then we're going to avoid the Asian session as it has the lowest volatility and we don't want to wait. The goal is to get in and get out as soon as possible so we can make the capital that we want to make. So let's talk about market condition checklist. So structured is going to be confirmed on a 5-minute trend, rather if it's up or down. And then from there, we're going to do a liquidity grab on a 1 minute wick or even a 2-minute wick beyond the previous lows and previous highs. And then price returns to the 50% equilibrium zone using our Fibonacci, which will be identified as the uptrend or the downtrend. And then we're going to be looking for our entries, candle flips, engulfing in the trend direction. And I'm going to show you this right now. So let's start off with US30, as this is actually a trade that we were able to catch and make about $2,000 off of this trade. The first thing you want to do is confirm the structure on a 5-minute time frame. So seeing that we are now entering a 5-minute time frame, you see that we are going up. So the goal here is to catch an up move. Now, let me tell you one thing that you must know about US30 that can really hack your trading career. When the market comes in during New York session from London, which is going to be about 8:30 Central, so 9:30 Eastern time exactly, this is where you can catch a quick 20 to 50 pips move that will really scale your account. How you would do this is like this. You want to identify the direction of where the market is going, and this can be done on a 5-minute scale. So when we were looking at this move, we were here right about 9:25 a.m. As you see in the bottom, if you don't see it, it's saying 9:25 a.m. So that being said, my mindset is set on where is the support, where is the resistance, or where is the key level, the POI level that market is going to hit first and then do its big move. So if the market is going up, we're going to pay attention to any levels at the up move market, meaning like a resistance, meaning like a supply, or meaning like anything that falls in the suit of POI zones, aggressive zones, or liquidity sweeps. If you look here on a 5-minute time frame, that's exactly what we got. Market has swept out this high and then instantly dropped. This is the move that we were looking for. It to sweep liquidity first and then drop. So if we now see that happening, what we need to now do is head to the 2-minute time frame. The 2-minute time frame is where we're going to be looking for our entry. before we enter in the market, we need to ask ourselves, where and how far is this going to pull to? What other level we should pay attention to? So if we look and go back on a 5-minute scale, we have to look at the most recent high or the most recent low. As you see, this was the area here. So my mindset is set on within this supply and demand, I am going to be looking for market to tap into here. And this is going to be my take profit mark. Now, if you guys have problems figuring out the time sessions and knowing what is accurate, this is a perfect time to use the indicator called trading sessions. This is what I have, and I use this all the time when I'm trading. This helps me know what session I am on, whether if this is London, New York, or overlapping both sessions. So I'm going to keep this on for now. Green is New York, and that's what we're going to be paying attention to. 9:30, remember, is the opening of New York. So this is the time that we want to look to trade. So now going back to the 2-minute time frame, what our entry candle needs to look like, it needs to look as an engulfing candle crossing over this white line, which is going to be a 9 EMA moving average that you guys are able to get from the indicators. So once you see that 9 EMA moving average and the candle crossing over it, this is now when you want to go ahead and sell your position. And then when you get in this trade, you short it, you can literally have your stop loss be just the length of the candle, and you go for a simple 1-to-1 trade. Your goal is to at least catch 20 points, 20 pips. That's the overall goal. Because if you guys can at least catch 20 pips, if you're trading a prop firm and you can catch 20 pips with a $5 lot, you can easily make $10,000 per month doing this consistently just at this time. And that is all you need. But as you see, the moment we did, that's what we got here. And that move played out very well. Now, going back to the 5-minute scale, after that happens, let's say you missed that opportunity, the other opportunity is still in the table. And that goes right back to following our market condition rules that we're going to be looking for confirmation on a 5-minute trend up or down. And then once we see that, which is going up, we then want to look for a POI level, which is this here and this here. So we now want to draw out our Fibonacci from the beginning of the trend to the end of the trend. Now, this is where you have to understand what trend to pay attention to, because you have two trends. One of the trends is this move, and you have this trend. We're going to be looking at the bigger picture, which is this overall trend here. Why is this a trend? Simply because, as you see, this was our high and this was our low. The moment market broke this high, this now became the confirmed low, which also is known as the A point of a beginning of a trend. And then this was the highest peak because this was the most recent low. This was the most recent low when we broke through. So this confirmed the highest point. And this is now where you want to draw out your fibs from the A to the B point. So we're going to draw it from here to here. Going back to our market conditions, we now wait on price to return to the 50% equilibrium zone. Remember, liquidity grab on a 1-minute wick beyond. This is what we're going to be looking for below the 44% mark. So anything below the 44% mark, whether if this is a supply, demand, a major key level, support, resistance, fair value gaps, or POI levels, that is what you guys want to pay attention to. The moment we seen that this was it right here, we got the sweep of the liquidity. Now we can go into the 1-minute or the 2-minute time frame, and the entry candle is simply going to be an engulfing candle crossing above the 9 EMA. And then we can now take another 1-to-1 trade, or if we want to, we can ride this all the way to the most recent high. And that right there, my friend, is how you can catch a lot of pips. This works especially with gold, and this also works especially with US30. So you would think gold is tricky, but it's pretty much the same. And let me show you. If we look at the trading session indicator, you see that green is New York, right about 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. This is when New York opens. So now we're going to be doing the exact same play, going in a 5-minute scale. And that's what we're on now. You see instantly we are going up from the London session. We have two moves that we need to be cautious for. This is it, and then this is it. As you see, the moment that this happened, we're now going to be looking for market to Once again, find a balance level, rather if this is a fair value gap, a POI level, and so forth. And then we're going to be waiting on market to once again hit that area, and then we're going to look on a 1 minute scale, and then we're going to be looking for that engulfing candle crossing above the non-EMA. So what we're going to now do is draw out our fibs from this most recent range to here, and then also, as you see instantly, once we did that, the market created what it needed to create off a 1 minute scale with this engulfing candle, and we could have easily caught a 1-to-1 trade. This same strategy applies on US30, NASDAQ, and gold, silver, oil. If you really want to catch pips the right way, follow this strategy and you can really go somewhere. Be sure to comment down below that you guys want to see more videos like this. I will be sure to post more videos like this for you guys. Other than that, your boy Solo, coming out. Peace.